Well, we start with the state of West Bengal. The recovery of arms and ammunition in West Bengal, Sandesh Khali, has sparked a massive political face-off between the TMC and the BJP, with the ruling party alleging that the Saffron camp was orchestrating a plot to discredit the state during the ongoing Lok Sabha elections. The TMC has now upped the ante and has alleged a bomb blast at a BJP leader's relative's house in West Bengal's Basirat Assembly constituency. Mamata Banerjee's party, in fact, questions why the CBI or the NSG is not intervening to investigate this particular incident. The TMC has also challenged Home Minister Amit Shah to act and really come in with the investigative agencies springing into action.
In the house of Nimai Dash's brother, there was a blast. Yesterday we saw CBI, NSG, the robotic systems, but today BJP is totally silent. There is a clear allegation that BJP, the network of BJP through some other forces, they are arranging some arms, some explosives to disturb and damage the image of Bengal, and we strongly demand immediate arrest of that Nimai Dash, the BJP leaders Shubhendu Adhikari, B.L. Santosh and others who has relations with that Nimai Dash.
On Friday, during these searches at Shah Jahan's aide's residence, the CBI found a huge cache of arms and ammunition. These recoveries were so alarming that the CBI had to rope in officials of NSG's bomb disposal squad, who came in and even defused some of those suspected country-made bombs. But despite the massive recoveries, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has gone into denial mode. She even suspects that it may just be the scenario that the arms and weapons that were seized or recovered by the CBI were actually planted by them to project the TMC government in poor light.
क्यों आप इधर में एक चॉकलेट बोमा फटने से भी आपको सीबीआई, आपको एनआईए, आपको एनएसजी जैसे कोई युद्ध हो रहा है, और वन साइडेड स्टेट पुलिस को बताया नहीं, किसी को पता नहीं है क्या क्या मिला, किधर से मिला। ये भी हो सकता है खुद उन्होंने गाड़ी से ले आया, लेके शो किया है, कोई एविडेंस नहीं हुआ है कि वो उधर में थे। आज भी छोटा एक इंसिडेंट संदेश खाली में मेरे को आने का पहले मिला, और बीजेपी का एक नेता का घर में बोमा जमा करके रखा था। वो सोचता है बोम मार के नकड़ी खा के वो इलेक्शन में जीत सकता है।
বাংলার মানুষ বাংলা বিদ্বেষী ভারতীয় জনতা পার্টির কাছে এটাও জানতে চাইছে যে মণিপুরে বিগত মাসের পর মাস যখন গণহত্যা চলছে এবং সেখানে যখন এত অস্ত্র উদ্ধার হয়েছে, সেখানে কেন এনএসজি যায়নি? কেন পুলওয়ামাতে প্রাক্তন বিজেপি নিযুক্ত কাশ্মীরের রাজ্যপাল সত্যপাল মালিকের কথা অনুযায়ী রাজনৈতিক স্বার্থ সিদ্ধি করার জন্য এয়ারলিফট না করে জওয়ানদের কনভয়ে আরডিএক্সের গাড়ি ঢুকে 40 জন জওয়ানকে রাজনৈতিক স্বার্থের কারণে মেরে ফেলা হলো? সেখানে কেন এনএসজি গেল না? বা কেন বিজেপি শাসিত বিভিন্ন রাজ্যে যখন বারংবার অস্ত্র উদ্ধার হয়েছে সেখানে কেন এনএসজি যায় না? সেটা বাংলা বিদ্বেষী ভারতীয় জনতা পার্টির কাছে বাংলার আপামর জনগণ জানতে চায়।
The BJP, though, is gunning for Mamata government after the sensational seizures in Sandesh Khali. West Bengal BJP chief and BJP MP Sukanta Majumdar has called for an NI investigation, also alleged that the searches were made from the house of a relative of a TMC leader.
इंफॉर्मेशन आ रहा है जो आर्म्स रिकवर्ड हुए हैं उसमें ज्यादातर आर्म्स मेड इन फॉरेन है, यानी बाहर से मंगवाया गया है। तो ये सवाल उठ रहा है कि संदेश खाली जैसी ऐसी छोटी जगह पे ये आर्म्स क्यों रखे गए थे, किस लिए, क्या कारण है? तो इसको जो भारत की सुरक्षा के साथ जुड़े हुए जितने भी एजेंसीज हैं सबको चाहिए इसको तय तक इन्वेस्टिगेट करें।
ममता बनर्जी आप तो पुलिस मंत्री है, आपका पुलिस क्या कर रहा था? सो रहा था क्या? आज पता चला कि आज किस लिए ईडी और सीबीआई को संदेश खाली में घुसने नहीं दे रहे थे। अब क्या सोच रहे थे? ये सब जो आर्म्स एंड एमुनिशन है इसको इस्तेमाल करके आप सारे बंगाल में टेरर के करेंगे और इन लोग को काम पे लगा के आप वोट करवाएंगे। इसका जवाब बंगाल के लोग 4 जून को आपको देगा।
Let's now talk about the latest reaction that's coming from BJP National President JP Nadda, who's hit out at the TMC government in West Bengal, says the arms halt shows anarchy under the Bengal Chief Minister. He has slammed the TMC over these atrocities against women as well in the past in a reference to the Sandesh Khali case, and says not even probe agencies are spared under the TMC regime.
हमने देखा किस तरह से ममता बनर्जी की सरकार में तृणमूल कांग्रेस के शाहजहां शेख जैसे असामाजिक तत्व संदेश खाली में महिलाओं के अस्तित्व पर खतरा बने हुए। वहां गई जांच एजेंसियां के अधिकारियों पर घातक हमला किया जा रहा है। संदेश खाली की तलाशी के दौरान सीबीआई को 3 विदेशी रिवॉल्वर, पुलिस द्वारा इस्तेमाल की जाने वाली एक रिवॉल्वर, एक विदेशी पिस्तौल, बंदूकें, कई गोलियां और कारतूस बरामद किए गए हैं। जनता आपको इसका करारा जवाब देगी और पश्चिम बंगाल में भाजपा 35 से अधिक सीटों पर जीतेगी।
Across to Adrija joining us with more details. More and more questions being asked by the TMC and all of these coming in from the BJP. All of these questions aimed at the Trinamool Congress. Given the seizures that were made, they're talking about the TMC link there. The BJP National President just spoke of the Sandesh Khali case as well. All in all, they're raising questions over law and order situation in the state. But the TMC, interestingly, has come out with its own spin here. Adrija.
Well, absolutely. You see, what the TMC has been claiming is that it is nothing but another show of the fact that BJP is using all the central agencies, and CBI in this case, along with the NSG, has been used. But the TMC is also saying that the number of weapons or the quantity of weapons that has been recovered, it is not as much to call down an entire team of NSG into Sandesh Khali. They are also, claiming that this is just a conspiracy theory, and maybe BJP or someone from the BJP have planted this to blame the TMC and malign the image of the West Bengal government, especially while the elections are ongoing. And the TMC also have complained to the Election Commission, mentioning that, no information was given to the state police regarding this raid that the CBI had conducted. And at the same time, on the day of polling, when, the pollings were going on that particular day, especially this entire drama had been unfolded in Sandesh Khali. That is what the TMC is claiming.
Okay, all right. And, with regards to the investigating agencies conducting such probes, the TMC has come out to now highlight the incident, the bomb blast that has taken place, wherein there is a BJP link. And they say, why are investigative agencies not running after BJP leaders when it comes to these kind of cases? Why is the TMC being targeted singularly? Adrija?
Well, yes, you see, the TMC has come up and also is, mentioning about this another incident that has happened in the nearby area, where one of the BJP leader named Nimai Das, in one of his relative's house, a huge blast have taken place where the entire, the roof of the house has gone away. 4 people also have been injured, and what the TMC is saying that he needs to be immediately arrested, because what TMC suspects that he, in that particular house also, in his associate's house, bombs and other weapons were kept, and the police needs to arrest him, and the police needs to question and find out that whether or not he was one of the person who was to systematically on a regular basis use bombs, and whether or not BJP had used him to plant certain weapons in this particular area from where the CBI has recovered. So, of course, the TMC again blaming here, and the TMC questioning that why the NSG is not going there at the moment, because such a huge blast have taken place. So, of course, the blame game continues between the TMC and the BJP.
Okay, stay on.
Kane, sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Scratch resistant also.
The plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।